Hello my friends, welcome back here to the channel. Some subscribers here from the channel are asking me on my Instagram how to download the free version of the Fusion 360 that Autodesk called personal use, and some people call it as a hobbyist version. Just click here on your browser, Fusion 360, download personal use. The first link of the Autodesk, and you will see the two versions, the pay version that have a free trial, or you can use the personal use that is free but with some limitations, with some restrictions. For me, here on the channel, I can create a huge number of projects without problem. Click here, get full 360 personal use. If you don't have Autodesk account, create one here, it's easy. I have my own here. Write your email here, click continue, agree with the terms and submit. Now click to download, click here to confirm, and the download is started here. Go to download file and click on the .exe. Wait for the setting. I will speed up the video on this moment. With Fusion 360 you can create some electronic parts like that. They show here on the opening part, mechanical and electronic parts. There are some limitations with the personal use, like you can't use more than 10 projects on the same time. You can export your drawings as PDF, but I export using the print command, save as PDF. That's another way to create PDF file. Confirm your login. I will show you some settings that I use here on your profile, on preference. Here you can change the language. I use as English. And here on pan, zoom, orbit, I'm used to work as SolidWorks here. Or you can change to Fusion 360. The full orbit type I use as free orbit. For me is better to rotate the objects in the scene. Reverse zoom direction. I use this option. I enable this option. Other configuration here on the design tab. You can enable this option, auto project adds on reference. That means when you create a new sketch, the software will automatically project the ads for you. It's easier, but I don't like to use that on my projects. I prefer to create the project by myself. Here on the drawing tab, I change here for the dimension, this line dimension, and here the design tab, I always use as millimeter. If you are going to watch a tutorial that use imperial measurements, you can change here to imperial. You need to do that before start to create the project. I will return to millimeters and apply and OK. Now we have our Fusion 360 on the personal version, not for commercial use, installed and setting, ready to use and watch the new tutorials. Thank you so much. Think about to subscribe here to the channel. I hope you liked this video. See you in the next.